when the armed forces of Pakistan are fighting with the fullest of valor on the border with Fitna al Khawarij, that is directly from Afghanistan on one hand and is being used on the behest of India as a proxy on the other hand. At the same time, hackings, cyber security, and such warfare strategies have become now the policies or strategies for the antagonistic countries to make you suffer and to make greater losses for you. In this particular context, the Chief Minister of Punjab has taken a new initiative where she has established or she has directed the Home Department of Punjab to establish the Cyber Crime Development Unit for the entirety of Punjab. Under this new initiative taken by the Chief Minister of Punjab, this cyber crime investigation unit will also incorporate in itself the micro security safety shield, which is going to be prepared within the 7 days to counter any hackings or any cyber threats for the citizens and for the governmental authorities of Punjab. Moreover, 2 to 3 protocols and standard of procedures have been delegated to the Home Department and the executive agencies and need to be taken into account, which ranges from the number one fact that the e-tags are going to be provided for all the motorcycles within the Punjab and particularly in Lahore, so that strict surveillance system shall be ensured. Police checkposts with advanced drone systems will also ensure the strict surveillance systems, as the real-time monitoring will also be done by the CCTV and this cyber crime technology or equipment that is going to be installed, so that the surveillance and the espionage could be ensured and shall be controlled by the governmental authorities for the safety and security of the citizens and the huge influx within Punjab and more particularly the metropolitan city Lahore. What do you think about this new initiative by the Chief Minister of Punjab?